Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina. If you're new here, then hello and welcome. I post 2 beauty related videos every single week, so if that sounds like something that would interest you, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll leave them up there. So guys, today can you guess what video we're doing? Let's do a thumbnail while we're here. I got a bag of trash here, and I'm gonna tell you if it's good trash or bad trash, or if you should buy it, or if you should just keep it in the trash. I've not filmed an empties video in so long, like years, and I was just throwing all my trash in the bin. And I was like, do you know what? I'm just going to do an empties video because why ever not? So let's just jump in. The first product I have is the oh no, my computer's going to make that dodgy sound. I'm sorry. I'll try not to zoom in a lot. This is the PS Primer Water. So it's from Primark and it's a priming water. I think this is like £2.50. This is excellent. I would highly recommend this. Definitely would repurchase this. I use this to spray my makeup brushes before I apply my foundation because I find it goes on a lot smoother. So yeah, love that, and I'll definitely repurchase it. Lasted absolutely ages as well. And then I have got, do that next because it's like in the way. This is the Soap and Glory Smoothie Star Deep Moisture Body Milk. Soap and Glory is one of my absolute favourite skincare brands. Oh my god, it literally smells like a Christmas cookie. And I absolutely love all their stuff. It's so nourishing. It smells amazing. I would definitely recommend a repurchase of that. I've got 2 shampoos here. So I've got the Mark Hill Miraculous Nourishing Shampoo. Looks like this. I got this on clearance in Boots. I think it was like £2.50. This is amazing, but I would recommend it more if you have more dry hair. My hair is very oily and gets greasy really quickly, so in the end I couldn't use this out to give it to Dan to finish, because I would use it and my hair would still feel greasy and feel like I had product in. So I wouldn't recommend it for greasy hair, but if you've got more normal hair, then definitely try this. It smells absolutely incredible. It makes your hair so soft as well. And then another shampoo was the Charles Worthington Radiance Restore Charcoal Shampoo. Now this one I will recommend for greasy hair. It was very good. It smelled quite nice as well. It was black as well, so it was like, ooh. Yeah, smelled more fresh where the other one smelled more sweet. But yeah, I would definitely repurchase that. It works really well on my hair. Another setting spray that I finished was the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. A lot of people hate this product because there is a lot of powder in the product and they will get white spots over their face, but that's because they didn't shake the product properly. So with this you really have to shake it up to make sure you don't get the white spots. They have reformulated this now, so I don't think anyone will have that problem, but I really like this. I love L'Oreal setting sprays. I think they're amazing. So yeah, definitely would repurchase that. Let's go for foundation. I finished up the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So this foundation, I think I've used it in a video before, but it's got a little spatula there. Such an affordable drugstore foundation. I think I mentioned this in my top 10 makeup products for under £10. I'll leave that video linked up in the cards. This is amazing. I'm pretty sure it's under £5. It's a really nice medium but buildable coverage foundation, and it worked really well on my like normal to combination skin. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. I think it was amazing. Another makeup item here is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. And I got the shade Natural, and next time I will definitely get a lighter shade because I really like a bright under eye, and this wasn't the right shade for me. It was like more close to my skin tone when I like it to be brighter than the sun. and it wasn't, so I would definitely repurchase this though. Are you serious?
I'm trying to film and you want to mow your freaking lawn? Honey, please wait 5 minutes.
Another concealer is the Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in the shade C1. You've probably all seen this before. This is really good. Like, I use this just for everyday work makeup. I used to use it to cut my crease, but now I have found better products. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this, and I would definitely repurchase that as well. It was a really nice concealer, especially for everyday use. Then I've got a couple of skincare bits. So I've got the La Roche-Posay Clark Duo Plus. If you suffer with acne or problem skin tone, then get this. It is amazing. Oh my gosh, literally, can you see this? Because I haven't been using this, my skin is actually breaking out. Like, honestly, when I don't use this, my skin breaks out. I think I've got another one in my drawer. If not, I will be repurchasing it. It is a little bit expensive, but it's so worth it. It's like the only thing that works for me in helping to keep my acne at bay. And then a toner, I've got the Superdrug Naturally Radiant Glycolic Tonic, 5% glycolic acid. This awakens skin's natural glow and smooths and tones and brightens the skin. So I have really been enjoying using this. I've got another one open at the moment. I will continue to repurchase this. I think it's really nice, cheap toner. It is really good. I've got the Liz Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic Spritz. This is so tiny. I cannot tell if it's done anything for my skin or not. It smells good. It smells really good. But in actual skincare benefits, I don't know if it did anything. I wouldn't buy this again because it's expensive. It just is what it is, isn't it? This is the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Hyaluronic Shot. This was pretty good. I don't know if it did anything for my skin. I couldn't see results, but I don't think I used it often enough to see results. I kind of only used it when I remembered, so I probably wouldn't repurchase that, unless if I got it I'd use it, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. I got a lot of skincare. This is the Estee Lauder Day Wear Advanced Multi-Protection Antioxidant Cream with SPF 15. My little friend Jodie got me this for a Secret Santa, and I finally finished it. This was so nice. Like, you got quite a decent amount in there, and it lasts me a really long time. It smells really lovely and fresh, and I will be sad to see this go. I would definitely repurchase this for sure. While we're on skincare, this is the Glam Glow Galactical Cleanse Hydrating Jelly Balm Cleanser. Now, this smells absolutely incredible. However, it's not a good cleanser. I felt like it just disappeared into nothing while you were rubbing it on your face. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that, and it's expensive. It smells good. That's about it. It did nothing for the skin. I've got a lip balm here. This is the Carmex Strawberry Moisturising Lip Balm with SPF 15. This is one of my favourite lip balms ever. So moisturising. Will always repurchase that. I've got deodorant here. So I can't use spray on deodorants. I don't find they work very well, and also they give me lumps, so I have to use the like stick ones. I always get the Maximum Protection range, the Shore one, the Dove one, or the Mitchum one. They're all as good as each other, but the Shore is my personal favourite, but they are quite expensive. They're £5 a pop, so I always get them when they're on offer, but I would highly recommend that. I think it's amazing. Another skincare item in here. This is the Boots Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Cleansing and Toning Lotion. This is great if you have spots or acne. Smells really good. It's just a really good everyday toner. Oh, my old Boots badge is in there. Oh, this is the Decleor Aroma Night Balm in Ylang Ylang. This was so, like, so good. It smelled amazing. This lasted me like 3 years. It was amazing. It smells amazing. It was just so balmy, so oily, and just really, really good for the skin. Decleor is quite expensive, but I would buy this again if it was on a good deal, and you just get so much in there. It's such a nice luxurious product. I've just got a couple of little bits left. I'll just pull them out now. I finished up a mini lip oil. This is from NYX. It's the This Everything lip oil. It was from the little calendar. This was so cute. I really, really love the lip oils, but the hemp one is my absolute favourite. So I personally wouldn't get this again, but I'd stick with the hemp one. Then I finished up this Decleor sample. It's the Hydrofloral White Petal Mask. I think this was okay, but it was a little bit lumpy. Not sure on that one, but thought I'd show you. I finished up the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 135. This is like my perfect shade of this. So the one I'm using at the moment is way too pink. This is one of my absolute favourite drugstore foundations. I did a whole video on L'Oreal foundations. I'll leave it linked up here if you're interested, or down below. But this foundation is one of the best drugstore foundations because it's not thick, heavy, cakey, but it still gives amazing coverage. So if you're looking for a new drugstore foundation, I'd highly recommend that you give that a try. I finished up the Kiko Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. This was very, very good, perfect for every day. What more can you say about a powder? I don't have a Kiko near me anymore. The one in Blue also closed down. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it, but if I was passing a Kiko, then I probably would pick it up. Then I finished up the Soap & Glory Righteous Butter. This is a mini of the cream. These are perfect for holidays. Oh my god, the Righteous Butter smells so good. Like, Soap & Glory do the best smelling products. And then these are not finished, but they are dead to me. These are the Colourpop Jelly eyeshadows. The pink one I have not even used. It dried up so quick. I'm so upset with this. So the pink one is in the shade No Rest for the Vivid, and this one's in the shade Wavelength. And they are completely dry. Oh my gosh, did you see that? The crumbles just flew everywhere. I'm literally so upset because obviously I'm in the UK, so to actually order Colourpop products you have to pay a lot for postage. I think you have to spend £50 to get like postage included, so it's a lot of money. And the fact that it's literally like, it is just so dry. Oh my gosh, it's all crumbling. I'm gonna try and swatch it, but it's a bit crumbly. I mean, they could still work. I mean, last time I swatched it, maybe it was cold, maybe because it's warm they've kind of like melted down a bit. So I'm not gonna lie, that is absolutely stunning. Like, just, that is not picking up very well, but now I'm covered in stuff. Let me see if I can, oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh my god, it's so crumbly. This is Wavelength. So they're not even that good. Is that better? I mean, like, they're okay. I definitely wouldn't recommend them, and I definitely wouldn't repurchase them because I don't even know how much they are. I'll put it on the screen. I don't think they're much, but it's the fact that I've literally never even used the pink one and it's so dry and unusable. I mean, I might give them another go because they did swatch okay, but yeah, they were going to go in the bin, but I'll try and make them work one more time. Now I have crumbs all over my table. I'm going to put these away before I commit murder. So that is all my latest trash, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Better go before someone starts mowing my lawn and ruining my video. But let me know if you actually like these videos or not. Obviously if you don't, then I won't do them anymore, but if anyone finds them interesting, then just give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment to actually let me know if you like it or not, hens. So without further ado, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make a latte and live my best life. Have an amazing day, guys. See you next time. Please like, comments, subscribe, follow my Instagram. Thank you. Peace out. Bye bye. What is peace out? Bye, guys.